This is Sean down at Thompson Chrysler. You may not know me, but you do know your friend here, Paul Bass, who he actually just came down to say hello and decided to buy this nice 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. Kind of just fell into it by accident. Okay, it's a crew cab, dual exhaust, all black. Anyway, Paul's worked with us here before. He wanted to come in and say hi. Saw the incentives, 25% off these trucks. Paul, how was the visit here today, and how was the experience buying the truck today?
Absolutely amazing. Sean's a true pro. The whole staff is fantastic. Can't get down here soon enough.
Good. Would you recommend this to your other friends?
Absolutely.
Perfect. So if you're watching this video on Paul's Facebook, if he's sending you this video, mention his name when you come in, ask for Sean, okay? And I'll give you an extra $500 off the current incentive. So there's 25% off this thing. I'll give you another $500 just for saying this guy's name. Thanks for your business, Paul. Enjoy your truck. Handshake.
Thanks very much, Sean.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys soon.